tours of CS Health, they are PR tours from where I stand. He has targeted counties that are doing relatively well than others. That is why he reached Embu and did not go to Kirinyaga, which has no infrastructure. Instead, the director of Kenyatta National Hospital is the one who went to Kirinyaga to aggregate the beds in the sub-county hospitals to show up the 14 we knew, to tell us now there are 200. I bet they even counted those ones of private hospitals to get to 200. Let the PS deliberately tour counties that are doing better and counties that are doing worse. That way the national government will be able to engage the counties and fix the gaps. Because when there is a pandemic, the national and the county have to work very closely together. So let's stop PR tours and make them deliberate tours to address the gaps. Let us see him tour a county without infrastructure and talk about it. He should have hurried to Turkana. He should have hurried to Marsabit where there was cholera recently. Because if we can't handle cholera, we are much more unlikely to handle COVID. We need more accountability, and we need an inventory of the COVID support received by each county. And the elected leaders also should be in those tours. They are not doing their work. We also want to challenge the president and his government. What happened to the Equalization Fund, Article 204? If it had been applied in the last 8 years of this Jubilee administration and allocated sufficient money, today we would not be talking of marginalized counties. We would be talking of almost equal services in the rest of the country. So let the Senate consult, engage one another, come with a solution. We did not send them to Senate to fight each other. We sent them to find solutions. We expect nothing less. Should we expect fair elections in 2022? Not as currently constituted. And that is why Kenyans must not be distracted by the Breaking Bridges initiative. We must marshal our energies together to see what we need to do about the electoral process by properly implementing the Constitution, not amending it. Because this Constitution has solutions, even in putting right what is not right in the electoral process. Thank you.